This is our Excellerations Toddler Readiness Kit. It's great for children 2 and above, and it helps children develop a lifelong love of learning. This kit comes in a clear vinyl backpack. The kids will love carrying the activities around with them and getting ready for school. It makes them feel confident and independent that they can carry around their own activities. This kit also includes bilingual activity cards. It starts with a family letter in English and Spanish, and also has activities. It will walk you through each activity in language and literacy, early math, early science, music, active play, so gross motor and fine motor skills, and even some social emotional learning built in. So you can use these items in a cross-curricular way to help your child develop all the skills they'll need, and those will transfer right into the classroom. So we'll set those kids up for success, give them everything they need. So we'll start here with a set of 3 farm-themed puppets. Children love using puppets for whether it's beginning storytelling or playing out different emotions or scenarios, and that's where social emotional learning comes in with the curriculum, where as the children are telling stories and practicing their speech and language, they're also practicing out those ideas and things that they think about the world. It also includes these wooden shape puzzles. The kids are just starting to learn their shapes and their fine motor grasp, picking them up, putting them down, grasping, reaching. All of that is practiced right in this kit. The kit will also include 2 animal-themed board books, and these are also bilingual, so you can encourage different languages with your child. This kit has a little ball here, and this ball has some sensory feeling to it, has little holes, and that sensory is going to add to that social emotional learning and being able to fidget. But there's more to the ball. Being able to toss and track the ball creates hand-eye coordination and also eye tracking, which you'll need as you read, following left to right and return sweep side to side. So that starts developing the eye tracking skills as well. We also have a magnifier to start developing a scientific outlook. Things you notice, what do you observe about the world, and how does that make you think about the world that you're in? Kids love science. They love exploring and finding out more around them, and then of course asking why. We also include a half tambourine. Now, kids love music, and that gets them into speech and language and rhythm and learning more about the world around them. Now, you can also use that with practicing different sounds or syllables as they get older. The set will also include this garden lacing set, where students get to practice with these cute bugs and animals, and they practice their fine motor as they weave the string through the pieces. The kids will love being able to take these activities on the go, whether it's travel, waiting in line, from school to home, and it creates moments where adults and children can connect together to develop that lifelong love of learning.